What's good, everybody? D&B ENT.
Your
Your boy Brandon. Hey, man, today I'm about to do a video titled 5 Grown Men Who Cry Like Babies in Court. I mean, if you get sentenced to prison for life, I'd probably cry too. What the fuck?
Well, you should have cried when you did the crime.
He didn't think he was going to get caught. Clearly. So they did the crime like, oh yeah, I'm good, bro. I'm Gucci, bro. I ain't going to get caught. Then they get caught. Then they get sentenced to life. So now you know your life is over. Shit, I'll probably break down and cry too. Probably, please. Like you know, life, my nigga.
Ain't ever getting up.
Would you cry if they said you had 5 years?
Yeah, I cried. They told me I got 5 months.
5 years? I wouldn't cry. 5 years, I'll be sad, but I'll be like, okay, I could thug it out, and then on good behavior, probably
5 years is
out.
a long fucking time.
It is,
5
but
months is a long time.
But you still have your life. Anything over like 10 years, I'll probably cry. 10 years? A decade? You're gonna come out, everything gonna be different.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But let's see what happens. Let's watch.
Let's go.
Your Honor, just execute me there because I can't get any kind of justice. I'm tired. I'm at the end of my rope.
Well,
What can I do?
in Summit,
Just execute me. Boy, you ain't trying to die.
Okay, you tripping now.
I want to know what these people did too.
Me too.
Oh yeah, you trifling motherfucker. Yeah, you should cry.
Oh, see, he probably got life.
How you kill your own mama? You need to go to jail forever.
Friends and family
What if his
gathered to
mom-
remember
what if his
a
mom been
mother
raping
police
his
say
whole
was
life?
killed by her own son. Deidre Jefferson, a beloved member of the Alief ISD school board, was stabbed to death at her home on Friday. Just hours ago, a candlelight vigil was held in her honor, right there in the parking lot of the Alief Administration Building in the 4000 block of Cook Road.
Police say Deirdre's son, Blake Jefferson, brutally stabbed and killed his mom inside their Alief home early Thursday morning.
I didn't mean to kill Austin. Actually, I really didn't. I really think I did.
Killing a baby?
I don't care who was actually.
Dylan Shoemaker walked into a state Supreme courtroom pleading his case, telling his victim's mother and the court he's remorseful for what he did. Shoemaker was sentenced Friday for beating 23-month-old Austin Smith last March. Before the sentence was handed down, Shoemaker and his defense attorney fought for the minimum sentence, 15 years to life.
I can't take back what was done. I wish I could. I would give my life for Austin. I loved him a lot.
Austin Smith was completely defenseless. That's a given. But there were other dynamics at work there, including my client's inability to either control his anger or frustration and his inexperience in babysitting.
Based on his short life now, what is to say he won't do this again?
Well, we don't know that.
He's a
I think
little
it's completely
baby. You beat him
unlikely.
because he crying or
It was a
shit or whatever,
situational,
like,
circumstantial thing.
In Judge M. William Bowler's last words to Shoemaker, he told the now 17-year-old that in his short life he's caused so much despair to so many people. Bowler said he listened intently to Shoemaker's testimony during trial and called him a manipulator who minimizes his actions.
The record will show that you admitted that on July 23, 2013, in a phone call to your mother from the holding center, you stated, and I got a quote from the court reporter, "I am a 16-year-old blonde. Probably all I have to do is cry in front of the jury, and they're going to feel sorry for me."
Afterwards, Shoemaker was
know he got
sentenced
that white
to
privilege. You
25
heard that?
years
It didn't
to
work
life
'cause they-
behind bars.
They convicted his ass.
I understand. You know what I did is it's a terrible thing, but I wasn't the only one in this situation.
for the first time ever,
Killing a
accused
cop?
cop killer Ashford Thompson breaks down in the courtroom. With tears streaming
why I
down
said
his
just
face,
kill
he
me,
told
'cause
the
he like,
judge
they
he's
gonna fuck me up.
frustrated
He
with the
already
legal
know.
process.
I still don't have copies of the things that I've asked for. I don't have a copy of anything. I don't even know what the prosecutor's going to use against me.
Well, probably your statements, Mr. Thompson. Thompson is accused of shooting to death Twinsburg police officer Josh McTarian in July 2008. Wednesday afternoon, McTarian's widow Holly sat in court as Thompson told a Summit County judge he's having a tough time in jail. He complained that he's not receiving his mail, that he's constantly being harassed.
How can these people just do anything they want? They don't even follow their command the right way. I've been harassed for I don't know how long. I'm trying to hold it in just to get this over with.
Thompson has been through a number of lawyers. His current attorney, Kerry O'Brien, told the judge he's planning on filing an additional 40 motions. The judge agreed to give him 1 more week to prepare. Faced with the death penalty, an exasperated Thompson told the judge he worried about getting a fair trial.
Your Honor, just execute me there because I can't get any kind of justice. I'm tired. I'm at the end of my rope. What can I do?
In Summit County, Elisa Amigo, Fox 8 News.
Yeah, them cops, they go hard.
All right. Mr. Holzclaw, you and your attorneys just come forward.
Serial rapist. They gonna rape you in jail now. What you crying for?
Mr. Holzclaw, this jury finds you guilty of the various counts. You will be remanded to the custody of the Oklahoma County Sheriff for formal sentencing set January 21st, 2016 at 10 o'clock a.m.
Your Honor, I'd ask to hold the jury.
All right, you have a seat.
Yeah.
What did you get? Put him under the jail. Just nasty.
He think crying gonna give him some sympathy. The people he raped was crying. Like, you know? Ain't that right, little Munch? Fuck him. Say fuck him.
Magistrate has, in fact, met with a verdict.
Damn. Burning his 14-month-old brother alive? What's wrong with you?
How the fuck did he do that?
14 months. He's a little baby, too.
Did he put like fucking... What is wrong with you?
What if it was an accident?
No. That
How do you accidentally do that, though?
That child towards the door of the bedroom. That is caused by likely something. It's a significant burn pattern as he described it. It could have been alcohol.
I think I used the bathroom.
Something else that gets
Oh, never
consumed by the fire. But a significant burn
probably
pattern
does. We can take
shows
it.
that there is something set significant and intentional. And at that point, to start a fire in that room was needed. And to walk away, not trying to escape that fire. And immediately starting another fire in the living room. And then to claim it's an accident, that it got out of control, that's an extreme recklessness. And that's
Okay. Did you hear that?
That's maliciousness.
You said he burned the living room?
Yeah, he started a fire in the living room, and the fire got out of control.
Just lived in another room with a small baby, walk into the front room, light that fire, and then leave the residence standing outside watching it burn until it becomes too much to go back in. That's malice. And so malice is here in both counts, because all that murder requires is malice and forethought and fascination with fire. To watch that burn, knowing that that child was in there was going to die, and not calling 911, not saving that child,
calling 911,
not having started the fires in the first place. He has to take responsibility.
Yeah.
So there's much more here than probable cause. So I ask the court to find probable cause and vote charges.
All right.
Yeah, these people, they deserve to go to jail forever. Them crying, I don't care about them tears. Go to jail. Oh, yeah.
Serial rapist. Somebody killed his mama.
He burned the 14-month-old alive.
Alive.
Didn't even call the cops. Didn't try to save him. No.
Even if you started the fire and the fire got out of hand, you should have ran to barrel, grabbed the baby, and ran out.
Exactly.
You know what I mean?
Exactly. And I know how that could. I actually started a fire before when I was in middle school. I burned my living room down. And it was an accident. I didn't mean to, but
How do you actually start a fire? What did you do?
Because I was playing with fire, and then I lit this it was this plastic vase that we had, and it had a newspaper and stuff in it, and I lit that on fire. I was gonna try to hurry and put it out, but it went too fast. So then I got some water out the kitchen, tried to put it out. It wasn't getting put out, so I ran out the house.
You did?
Yeah.
You ran out the house, and then everything just burnt up.
Yeah. The whole living room burned. I mean, I called 911, but. Anyway.
What did your mama say when she got home?
She said she was happy that I wasn't dead, so that's the only reason why she didn't beat my ass. I was 12.
God
but anyway,
damn.
Yeah, this is interesting. Now, let us know what y'all thought about the video. Make sure you
like, comment, subscribe.
And see you in the next one. Bye.